Hello my friends, today we will take a look at mobile by Peak Design accessories for smartphones. All of these products are a part of Peak Design's 10th Kickstarter campaign. These accessories are basically designed for mounting or storing your smartphone in various situations. It is the Peak Design though, so the approach is a bit more sophisticated. In this video, I will show you some of the products from this collection and maybe help you decide whether you should pre-order something from Peak Design's latest campaign. More information about the prices and the campaign will be linked in the description. This whole system has a lot to do with magnets. That is an extremely popular topic nowadays. If you watched the iPhone 12 event, you might see some resemblance. As far as I know, it is coincidental, but the product should be cross-compatible with Apple's MagSafe system. The core of this system is the everyday case. Despite the integrated magnets, it is very thin at just 2.4 mm. It has TPU sidewall, so it provides solid protection. The backside is laminated with synthetic fabric. It is similar to charcoal fabric used on Peak Design's everyday backpack, but this one has nicer horizontal pattern. The slim link mounting point is lined with zirconium ceramic, which won't interfere with wireless charging, and it looks really good. Underneath the fabric are 4 magnets. These magnets are crazy strong, but more on that later. The front lip is raised just enough to protect the display when you are placing the phone face down. I think that this case looks great. It also feels very premium and it provides good grip. Overall, it is one of the nicest smartphone cases that I have ever used. A disadvantage is that it doesn't work with every wireless charger. Peak Design will offer their own wireless chargers, and as far as I understand, it should be compatible with MagSafe. The everyday case will be available at the launch for iPhone 11 series, iPhone 12 series, and Samsung Galaxy S20 series. If you have a different smartphone, you can use the universal adapter, which has the same slim link mount as the case. You can basically just stick it on any smartphone case. Theoretically, you can also stick it directly onto the smartphone, but I probably wouldn't recommend that. And now let's take a look at some accessories. First of all, the connection with all of the accessories is very strong. Your phone is definitely not going anywhere. These are some of the strongest magnets that I came across in similar products, so that is definitely not an issue. Probably my most favorite accessory is the mobile tripod. This is basically a credit card sized piece of metal which can unfold and hold your smartphone. Probably the most important part of this tripod is that tiny ball head. That is very well tuned and it is strong enough to hold your smartphone in place, but at the same time it is easy to adjust. There is even a small Allen key for adjusting the friction. You can use it as a simple stand or you can unfold the legs to raise it up. You can use it in portrait mode or in the landscape mode. As you can see, it is absolutely tiny, so we can take it anywhere without noticing. Besides the photography and filmmaking, it is also very useful for watching videos or for mobile conferencing. As expected, the quality and machining is great. I think that this is just a great idea and genuinely useful product. The most basic mount is this wall mount. This is basically a very strong magnet with the same fabric on the front side and adhesive on the back side. This one is pretty much self-explanatory. You can just stick it on a flat surface and attach your phone. It is called wall mount, but you can basically stick it to any flat surface, preferably to surface with no texture. It uses very high quality 3M VHB adhesive, so the attachment will be very strong if you follow the instructions. The car mount is basically a small ball head with slim link attachment. Much like the wall mount, it uses the same VHB adhesive. Much like with the mobile tripod, the ball head is great. It seems that it is not adjustable, but the resistance is very well tuned. It is a very minimalistic car mount, so it shouldn't interfere with interior design. Again, the attachment works best on the flat surfaces. It is called a car mount, but you can use it instead of the wall mount if you just want to use that ball head. Peak Design also considers making other types of car mounts, including the vent mount, which would be my personal choice. There will also be a version with integrated wireless charging. The last mount that I have is the bike mount. As you can probably guess, this one is intended for mounting your smartphone to your handlebar. The Slimlink mount on this one is a bit different. Besides the magnets, it is also secured in place with a push-button system. It comes with 2 spacer rings for different thickness of the handlebars. For illustrational purposes, here it is mounted on a tripod leg. The attachment is again 100% solid. There will also be a different type of mount made specifically for motorcycles. Besides the product that I have shown you, there will also be a magnetic wallet, which also doubles as a stand. It seems that there will also be 3 other mounts for bicycles or motorcycles. As I mentioned, there will be a wireless charging stand and also wireless car charger. I'm pretty sure that many more accessories will be available later on. To sum up, I think that Mobile by Peak Design is a very well thought out and genuinely useful mounting system. The everyday case is very well made, and it is probably my most favorite iPhone case at the moment. My most favorite accessory is the mobile tripod. That is just genius. Probably the only real downside is that it doesn't work with every wireless charger. It will be very interesting to see the compatibility with Apple's MagSafe. I intend to get iPhone 12 Pro as soon as possible and also everyday case for that one. Then I will make a separate video about the functionality with MagSafe. For now, I really enjoy using it with my iPhone 11 Pro. So that's it for this video, thank you for watching, I hope that you liked this video and that you have found it to be useful. Stay tuned for more videos and maybe consider subscribing if you don't want to miss my future content. I appreciate your feedback in form of thumbs up or thumbs down. If you would like to ask anything or share your opinion, please do so in the comment section, and see you next time.